Alright guys, this is my new clutch. The sweetest little babies. It's a little silky. Fluffy. A white ring around his head. He is beautiful. Let me see if I can get these silky toes on camera for y'all. See how that fluff, and he's gonna have pattern too. And then, yep, there's the silky toes. You see them? They're good, silky. Big old fluffy bud. So, yes, I am. And they're super friendly. Come here. This is Bunny Jr. the Third, who I didn't think had silky toes when I first found her. Her beak's not as blue as it was, but you see the pattern up there. And on her, back. Come here. She's so pretty. Oh, come here. Let me show them your toes. Let me show them your toes. Yeah. I don't know if y'all can see them or not. She's got them double toes. Yeah, there's the right one. But yeah, little silky baby. I think silky Americanas are what these are. Come here, you. Here's the, he's the more tan guy. I think this is the first video I'm actually doing of y'all. When I found these guys, they were all at least a week old. You see his fluffy little feet? Oh my goodness, the cutest. I don't think he's got silky feet, but the fluffiest little feet. And he's so fluffy too. Oh my goodness. Fluffy Americana mixes are cool too. Look at them tail feathers. Shake a tail feather. Boom, boom, boom. And last one. It looked a lot like Bunny Jr. when they were first born, but like I said, they were all no silky toes. They were all a week old when I found them. You can tell by the little wings, because where they were born in the new coop, they had to be a week old.